Hi guys, let me show you where and how to download Minecraft Modpacks. Some of the best Modpacks, you are going to find them right here. Open your web browser and go into the link in the description down below. And you want to download CurseForge. You want to click into the link right here to download it. Now once it's downloaded, you can open it right here, or you can go into your downloads folder and double click on it. In here you want to select your language, click into next. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can make it. And right here you want to select the destination folder. For me here is fine. So you want to click into accept the privacy policy and the terms, click into next. And right here click into accept and install. Now you only have to wait until this is downloaded and installed in your system. Well guys, as you can see, this is already successfully installed. You want to click into launch. You can close this web page that get open with it. Now you can skip the intro. If you want to see it, click into next. I'm going to skip it right here. Now you want to choose again Minecraft Java Edition. In here you're going to have two options. That is to use CurseForge default Minecraft modding folder, or you can customize the folder. I recommend you guys to leave it into the standard. Click into continue. And of course, one thing that I forgot to mention before, you will need to have Minecraft Java Edition installed in your PC. If you don't know how to do it, I show you right here on this video. Now, you want to go into Browse Modpacks. Click on it. Now inside of here, you are going to have a ton of modpacks. You can sort them by feature, or change it right here, popularity, latest updates, anything else, and also between the game versions. Now, if you want to download a modpack, you want to search for the modpack that you want to download. Let's say, for example, all the mod 7. You want to click right here into install. As you can see, this is downloading and installing all the files to run all the mod 7 in your system. You only have to wait until this progress bar is done. Now, when it's already downloaded, you want to click into play. Again, this is going to do some updates of files and anything that needs to do, and then it's going to start running the modpack that you choose. Now it's going to ask you to go to Microsoft Login or Mojang Login, depending on the one that you have. And right here, you're going to see that you are in the mod 7. You want to click into play, and I understand the risk because this is only going to warn you that you are running a modpack, and you want to click into play. Now you're going to be able to play the modpack that you choose. Thanks for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to drop a like and share the video to your friends. See you on the next time. Bye bye.